Ngiphelele imimos.
Imimos? The tips that I'm not going to Did I tell you that AP Learning is coming to her graduation? Look, tell you. I mean, where's the key? Yeah, because I feel like you took it. Come on, Nats.
Don't you get and one before one?
Yeah?
It's bad.
This one?
It's bad. No, not that one. I don't really know it. Yes. Yeah, can't one. If you know what's coming, guys, kunemele. Cela ube like before silale. So okay. I must be to Antone emotweni. Ntwana. Cela ububona igloss uzubuye nayo eva. So I must guys be to Antone ifuna ngosikhamethi not intim. Kuni ndimqala libabe ndina live ekseni. So the camera doll, I don't think imdaka mdazi but let me. I feel like kuyafana. Caba nikhumbulile. Molweni guys. Caba nikhumbulile sehla sibe live mina noba 30 minutes. Bekunjalo kuMaskandi Festival. Okay. KuMaskandi Festival bekumnandi. And also like again zoqala ngcomi. Maskandi Festival bekumnandi. It was well organized. Security and all that. Yabo yonke into be right. But into engakhandi ithande mina as umuntu wethu oseke wa attenda zothini events ezithile. I feel like isound yabo bingekho right, yabo. For i-event engakuyana isound yabo bingekho right and isound yabo engekho right yenze into okubana ngabana i-performance like inganiki umzekelo xa kuthi gqa mhlambi navigator is it navigate unavigate ithe seza man uyivi sound ba hey uyivi band ka ushwebile so phana ibiyenza ba imzekelo i-performance kaNimita ndikhumbuli because of i-sound i-performance kabantu andizikhumbuli. I feel like i-sound yabo bingekho right yabo ngubana lona besithi but whatever yabo so i-sound yabo bingekho right. And also another thing is besilahleka I feel like next year fanele bafake enough things like as director usasuka kuthi ba okay into ntoni Maskandi Festival ikwecala and then i-direct VIP i-board as choice usingabe sithi go around sikhangela i-VIP uba i-VIP entrance ilapha
to help you with that.
Beziphi chomi so yeah yabo otherwise be right man event yabo ungandivezi anqebanga otherwise be right man event yabo well organized, nice food and utywala bebu affordable. I feel like bebu affordable bebu right.
Molweni guys nani ndipalani
hayi sound yabo bingekho right shame
into
hayi ndithetha ngesound.
That's why usala be ku general sasingayi kamnanto ekho
sala pho kuthela
hey yesichaza singakha
kuthola ndibikela qonga yeah. Otherwise next year fanele ba improve indaba ye sound ba improve indaba yokus director singabe silahleka ungasemhledzeni girl. Thank you so much. Uyazi but the moment umove ke sana uyazi but the moment umove ndiyanantsika
akaseli uphosa amanzi cha
uyazi but the moment umove andibanga
when ndizomove ndiyephi
kuthamela yombathe emazantsi Haskhamethi wena soloku undiveza like all the time. This is the second time.
Uvela ntoni because ndikhona apha. Ndiyaphi because I've been here.
Wenzani into nayo? Kuthiwa ndiyavela siyabona.
Boss uvelile. Uvele ubuso bakho nje. Bayahlala ngawo abantu. Uvele ntoni?
Subhekela.
Even if I can say
wenzani lapha? Yabona iphi? Like we husband out.
But ke awuveli uvela ntoni?
Ngivela amathanga bathi babone nependi chomi uhleli apha wena uyama.
Hayi bayaphosisa labantu. Bayaphosisa
bacinga lonto. Bazoxokelani?
Guys, suqoqa.
Abasoze baxoxe ngalo.
Uzobona imfundo kanjani? Nina naqoqa nina, hayibo.
Abaxoki.
But you're the one moving on me.
Guys,
it's not me. It's because ever since I've been here, I haven't moved.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, we should move. So
Send it out.
Anselanga, guys. That's a man. What? But it's you who's moving. It's not me. But I don't know how
you move.
Wait. Kuzovela ubuso mama nabakho. I don't think kuzovela. When I first, yeah, we are standing with just.
Hips. Niyibonile konke ngizachinja.
Usikhumbula na. Yeah, ndikhumbulile guys, it's been a while because Losses has been writing, and then after writing wahamba one share up and one, and then my boy akafuna ukuba live.
Bengingafuni nyani ngathi bendiyazi banzovela impundu.
What happened to the airport, Mina? But how did you handle the airport thing?
Ndiyekile ledakhala.
What happened? Wangangicela mna? Wangangitshela ukuthi what happened to the airport?
Hayibo ndikubonisile nje lana uthi emotweni kuba kuthiwe ndi-asshole.
And ungibonisa phi? Ubonisa mna? Hayi siqoqa sis. Ntombi, siqoqa angibonisanga next. I don't know what happened at the airport. Bamthukile.
Extra large.
But you inze, asshole. Bayibhala ngepe.
Not ngepen bayiphonthe out.
Ngepe? Hayi wena.
Ayisho uthi intwana isemotweni nje lanto.
Ngisho Antoni because andibonanga net ndiyiva apha. Suqoqa, ndiyiva apha.
Cele ke sisound ndifollow TikTok because uyibonile TikTok ngoba.
Awufuni ndibone izinto zakho nje.
Ngeke bandithukile airport.
Hey!
Benifuna ukukhala, I thought ndikhalela ingxaki zami yazi.
Ubukhala ngembe?
Hayi umuntu ngizothi ungakhali ndizisukele eCape Town kuthiwa ndi-asshole. Kuthiwa ndi-head of a street, something like that.
Yowe. Hey mna ndiva apha guys. Hey!
Uhlekani ndithukiwe.
Because like
uhlekani ndithukiwe.
No, the thing is I've been saying this thing about people are projecting their negativity on people's life. Bending each to you all the whole day.
Andikhumbula utsho loo nto.
Hayibo ndakutshela into yaka Grace.
Subiza
abantu yaka umngani wakho. Ukuthi people they like projecting their negativity on people's life. Hayi ufuna andithi ndingayimention abantu.
Hayi andifuna ubiza amagama abantu.
Andizomention lo mngani wakho ke. Yeah, the person had the time to go and print out the thingy. And we have to
some people like always have that. And Dwana nzokubonisa I was vlogging, and that's not really a vlog. So bonisa ndlela bendiparking ngayo. Uyayazi Dwana mna kwi-parallel parking ndipaka kakuhle. Like parallel parking ndipaka kakuhle. Imoto ibiphakathi naphakathi. So ukuthi abantu bayazithenga izazinto bahlale benazo. You can imagine uspend imali yakho uthenga amakhadi for uba uthuka abantu.
Hayibo imagine uspend imali. Yo guys. Wait, what am I doing?
Ndifuna
fingerprint zamaz. Hey! What's going on with me? Ndifuna ukuthi i-message yesi. Oh nice.
I don't think umuntu ondaziyo. Qha kusiwe Free State ndiyayazi. Asegqitha abantu abamhlophe be Free State.
Okay guys, I have a story to tell you guys. Cela nirate installation yam from 1 to 10.
Cela ungamove ntwana ndifuna ukwehla ndoqhamela.
Can you read installation yam guys? It's not the airport, but negative people are very negative guys. Like even if you do something good, people will find something wrong with whatever good that you are saying. Guys, even if you are doing something right, like people will find something negative about whatever that you are doing.
Bitch, mama, fundisi, bitch.
Andikomfundisi wena. Guys, Tani Jongai. Let's work a son, but iyaphakama up, but it's a feel like sas. Anipuzanga nix, yes. Anipuzanga nix. Yeah, guys, like I've been seeing this past weekend, like what people are doing to a content creator, the famous one. But like people are projecting their negative things onto her life. Like, why would you? Like, they want that particular person to live up to their expectations, and there is no way that everyone can live up to your expectations. Everyone is going to live their life according to the way they want. Even myself, I'm going to live the life according to the way that I see fit. Yeah, but hila obomi bakhe the way abona ukuthi right but because the person is not living according to indlela yakho ufuna ukuthi abuphile ngayo, it won't happen, guys. Hey, like, make it make sense, guys. We're black today. I'm griefy. Supuida, guys.
I said, how
yeah? And because Antoni, guys. Wait, okay, guys. Call me. That's a good. What to me rate the installation.
Installation yako shem 10/10, but why say pagama?
When was it?
Saturday.
There's a Saturday. I don't know why you pack
I'm planning on Tuesday. Sunday.
Maybe it's because I didn't. I'm the end because of it was raining.
So when it's raining, I was losing installation. Right, I feel like we forget it this side. Because why is a pagama yon?
Bufuna go sit historical. No, the way for us to like I go to the was install a match.
So that means a break to me.
I break
so then install.
I saw it. So guys, it doesn't mean when I learn how to do something, doesn't mean Monte should stop doing what she has been doing. She has to continue. Pella, she's sharpening her skills and it. I said, she has to be perfect, Pell. You have to be perfect, Tomiam. You have to do edges in order for you to master it. Next year, as for in Kenya, Pell. Next year, also we install a graduates. Dim Pagat.
Guys,
guys, if I graduate next year, so what is a black magic name? Because tell me, please. Nachomana njani nozipho oseha wa unselisa wena wosebenzisa Herbalife nebani yakho embi yo hey lo muntu order wine embi andazi ukuthi showe benisela nje because benithi hayibo imali yakho waste ungafuna ukuwaste imali yakho. But guys, uThekum ufuna ukusela.
Hayi.
Oh wait. uThekum ufuna ukusela Herbalife.
Hayibo.
Dathi masisele. Hey, and yes, and the turn into a dry, guys. Like dry wine is bad. Like I don't enjoy it. Ndisela ukuthi uyanishiya apha lo sis every week, day in and day out uyanishiya. Ndisela ndi-1.
Uselela nowedwa wena. Unganilindi.
Wait, let me say this.
Hey, akazangiqaka guys usehlapha
Anto?
befuna like ngigqibezele lento fana.
Into?
Le.
Le? Awufuna uyiphuza
Bethuna usikhamethi. Uyakhweleta usikhamethi uyakhweleta nje day out uyashiya.
Hey, those is every week uyanishiya. Ndisela apha ndi-1. I don't know what I would
get this week.
Ufuna ukuthi which week? This one.
Ibirthday kamakhulu wami on Saturday, but Friday ndiyabhala.
Uyabhala Friday. But ndifuna uya ekhaya next week mna.
Which week?
The
date?
The 21st. I need to be home by the 21st.
Oh, hayi ke. Asizikwazi amasabini, I think ndiyagoduka. Ke sana.
I thought this week must
Ke 13 ibirthday kamama kaChocolate. 14 ibirthday komama.
13 is idlulile nje
omdala.
Onadla?
And then
wait.
15 imani meka.
No, 13 is on today's time. It's on Thursday.
Ke 14 zanhloze ba birthday kama.
Ngakho
Ekamakhulu wami nge-15 18
15. Ngaba uzomfonela.
Hayi bonke umthengele icake.
Umthengele icake?
Why not? Nayi wayenze
Fontoni.
into ngephethe. Hayi bo.
Ha, iPhone.
Hayi.
Yo.
Nayi wayengithengele.
Hey. Andivumi le. Andivumi leyo.
Sinza kwenza nansi.
Andivumi leyo.
Ungathi ke sisebenzele icake.
Umenze the one that you've been talking about, okay, a packaging, what.
Yeah.
Imagine. Baba wasendlini uzothini?
Shut up.
Antithanga nix ndabuza.
Abasendlini.
Xa nimkhuzeni guys because angandivi nix. Mina mani mkhuzi.
Ningangikhuzi.
Umani uzothini?
Yo, uzothini ngantoni uzobe ngaba?
Mandithule sis. Thabisa ndiyathula. Andizotsho nox. Andizoyitsho. Mandithule.
Happy birthday like a cake.
Hey,
Like a cake.
kamali kabani.
Hayi boy cake.
Mali kabani.
Khupha ama-secrets zakhe. Awusekhani mazakhe. Kasebhasho ngeke.
Yo. Hayi, lo sis kupha ama-fine. Benifuna ukubuza guys, she's been getting these calls ne. Benifuna ukubuza ne. But one thing about me is that I feel like my friend, if she wants to tell me, the thing is, if my friend wants to tell me something, she will tell me. I'm not the one to ask what's happening or what. So in that, you know what? I'm just gonna keep quiet. If she wants to tell me, she will tell me. That's
just a cake, just a cream.
Manje uyathetha phambi kwabantu. Yo, Nkosiyami.
Hayi boy, it's just a cake. It's just a cake.
Nah, I was even thinking maybe it's something to do with study. What is it called?
Study
snacks for umbano nonto. Kanti. Siswenza kakhulu.
Hayi.
Asoze. Percent ayingeni ku. Ayingeni lutho. Bezizomtshela even if into.
It's like that, Kendwan. It's just a cake, guys. It's just a cake. It's nothing deep.
Wait, Zikho cala ukhozi. Uzikho la. Cala ukhozi. Lo sisi izinto ezenzayo. Malini kabani? Umbuzo mi. Imali kabani oyisebenzisa nje? Yakho.
Uba ngithenga nansi icake. Wait, it's just a cake. Happy birthday, Bamban.
I'm taking cake is
Delivered.
I'm taking a cake in the birthday.
I'm not taking the cake.
Yo,
guys, is a skip.
Sagama,
I said it's not.
sure.
It's just a cake, like just a cake. Written happy birthday.
I'm so happy birthday.
And Hennessy. It's just cake and Hennessy. Asabuza amankazana wakhe ke sisekelwe Hennessy.
Salatola because
Mnandi. Kule weekend ezayo.
Igele phi. Isibhanqa lesi. Hayi. Asose. Isibhanqa.
And t-shirt. Yeah, awusehlala ngicakele guys namhlanje phuka nditheni.
Yo.
Hayi
Zikho sizicala ukhozi lomngane wakho. Ngiyacela
umswenda. But it's just a cake, guys. If ever it was not just a cake, means I said
watch. Akatsho nonto uthenga into makatsho lezinto. Uthenga into because I don't believe ukuthi I-cake ne-Hennessy cha.
Ufila ngathi khona nanto. Ufila ngathi khona nanto. Okay. Let's keep us a chista because I'm trying to chista.
You know what?
Cha.
Asoze.
Cha ntwana.
Nantoni?
Hayi ke sana.
Ndiyayazi ne just cake wami uzomthengela.
Wakhe ndiyayazi.
Some ndiyakuthemba wena. Cela ukhozi lo sisi. Cala imkhozeni.
You don't trust me. Nepolo. Yo ndithe mali. T-shirt yebhola.
I don't trust you, but
you don't trust me.
No, I'm not saying I'm not trusting you.
You know what?
But you know what?
You know what, Don? Andifuna ukuziva sibandini. Ndifuna umbona ubuzobulela phi.
Hey. Yo! Even worse. Did you say you want your things?
Hayi ndimphile zachops.
Hey!
Atha ungaka iyafana ntwana noma ngathi ndiyasifuna sozazibhose.
Uzosithengisa phela sizothenga imali. Sizothola imali.
Akasozazibhose.
Uzozibhosa.
Sozazibhose ntwana.
Onemali yokudlala like wanganingi le mali. iHennessy angasithengisa sizoyiphuza aphi.
Hayi bo uyayifuna ivesi ophi? Uyayifuna iHennessy?
Hey mina ndiyayiphuza iHennessy.
Uyayiphuza?
Ndiyayibona ngokuthi ndiyayiphuza pha benihembe lo lawa mangani wami amanye labo bhuti bathenga iHennessy ndiyayisela. Yangena kamnati kanjani mina bengaphathanga ne-headache ndifuna ukuthenga noDecember. Yo guys uthenge ivisop.
Ndiyathengela nawe ivisop ugqobo kwakho uyigqibe same day.
Ndizoyicela
andiyiseli ke mna.
so ncoki 1.
Alright.
Yo 2 shots uyatipa mna ntipa. Have you ever seen me dip?
Ayindifuni shame. Ayindifuni ishaza. Ishaza iyanivomithisa.
Guys, ndizoyipost one thing about
Jean and out.
I have realized that if ndingaphuza without me eating anything, that's the time that ngizohlatsa. Because you remember that day masiye pha eKotas Festival and then daya pha no Bukhazim dahlaza at that day. That's why uzombona kanjani ubungophi Bophi. Yo Bophi. Yo the reason why I came early, you know me ukuthi mina ndiyahlala up until in the morning. But ndahamba because I feel like okay, I'm not okay.
And then second location.
Yes, ndaza apha endlini. And then immediately when I got to the house, that hlaza and then dalala.
Zange utye kuKota Festival?
Andlange le kota yabo. I didn't eat the whole day, so that's why.
It was not nice though.
It was not nice.
Safika late.
Guys, one thing about me. I'm 32. Ndisithulele mna guys. Milan. Yo.
Mna guys, andiyazi bayandenza i-gin, i-cognac, i-nantsika, i-shaza andizithandi. I always prefer i-nantsika, i-cider only, because once ndazixoba ezo zinto vele ndibe nesifuthu ngisendingavomitha into yangoku andithandi ezo.
Oh shit. Akho next show me like Pelile. Dizolala manje. Yo, Milan, you have to wake me up in the morning because I'm Nandela and don't. Yeah. I know what. No, we have to work. I also have to work. No, I want to work in the morning.
You are an Istropez girl only, or you like ezinye izinto. That's why my Istropez ndayiyeka bendi after about 10 months ngasayisela Istropez.
I sell this weekend.
I sell this weekend.
But yakuphatha kakuhle.
Yaniphatha kakuhle.
I feel like Istropez is just like it tastes like a wine.
Yes, Istropez ndayiyekiswa ntoni? Like ngilamalume wayeyisayikho ndahamba ndayigqela naye wabona etafuleni khona Istropez wandithengela 24 wathi mandiyisele igqibile. Gange ngiphinde ndiyifune.
One thing about me is that nangiseleni izinto ezi ingathi for cousin.
For cousin.
Yeah, red sweet wine. Ingathi wine Milan. They taste the Istropez. Ingathi wine so asoz.
Istropez not wine. I'm the cousin. One take like 20. I'm not even lying. 24. Ngenxeba endibone egoli ndiyisela.
Mina it tastes like wine, guys. That tastes the Istropez.
It's overrated. No?
Yes, people hype it so much, but it tastes like a wine. It's sweet red. I don't know which one.
No, I can't tell, but it tastes like wine.
It sweet red. Milan. When Istropez, I only tasted it once, and then that I learned to taste like a wine. Biscuits.
You wena eKapa lekhona isweet ndifuna ke sizikhangele.
Which one?
Ndanikwa iqhakaza le sweet.
Into
I think it's edibles.
Edibles. When this phone
Zithengiswa
khona indawo ezithengisayo pha.
Ndanikwa isweet ingathi biza.
Hayi sho
Ngathi
ukuthi
tots. Ingathi zijeli tots what. Ndiqala ndanikwa ikona. I was like, guys,
kuphelile manje.
I was like, hayibo guys, nide ninike ikona xa ninike kwathi sizokunika yonke. Chomi, ndayisela ibanga xa uyitya akubina kwale ipheli hour. 2 hours down the line.
Somebody index.
Following day, zikamizne. Following day. Man, bathi kuthiwa nazi sweet that is food. Dizo stadium. Kenetswenda. I don't know, guys.
What trend is so without this sweet so masiyek. It was not the
sweet. Yes, ngingazothanda kakubi Chomi ndilele pha. Andizazi guys. Ingathi jelly tots like nje. Ayo we nawe ungatya zibe 10. Unalantu ba azikwenzi into.
I once ate space muffins. Space muffin dazidla. Dadla 1. And that is the next. Dadla 2. And that is the next. Dadla a half. And that is the next 1 hour late. Yo, I couldn't feel my body. Like ingathi ungayidla no yenza.
Andizazi guys bose
yasebenza manje but
sandibuze bathi hayibo.
Sethengiswa pha ku tourism center. The other side of KFC. Wabona KFC kuphi? But the other side. And also khona indawo next to Afro Cafe.
Hayi kodwa ndithandi mina.
Ipsos thenga pha.
Special a good high food.
Hey! And this food even today ma uthenga ma ungandithengela chocolate muffins andizozidla. Sikhona pha efreshini mina wasithenga ndithi andizondla lezinto. Ndinatrauma because
ndandizidisa. Yazi into ebuhlungu kukuzityisa ungayazi bazizibase muffins.
Wazidla wena ungayazi?
Mina ndazitya ndingazazi. Ndazithengela iFanta, uyazi iFanta pine. Wathi umhlobo wami, yabona bane chomi, ichomi yami yasenansikeni yaseMotherwell. eMotherwell. Yabona bane chomi zako Motherwell mdansane into ethona. Nane chomi yami yaseMotherwell. Kuthiwa ngithembakazi. Ndise NMU. Wabuya kwabo mhlambe siphathele umbengo. This other weekend wabuya esiphathele imuffins. Yabo. Gogo uziqonda bana ndizimisele ngozitsha. Eqinqa zikyalanjwa. Thina sasiqhola i700 and something and then uyothenga njenge. Ndayothenga iFanta pine ntwana. Sazitya neFanta pine yayindimi ngisanda andisakhumbula urumsa. Yabo. Ntwana sazitya uyubona uzityele endlaleni ulambile and into wayenza uyazazi sweet kakhulu you couldn't taste it but there's wheat.
You cannot.
Licala ntwana sazitya inoma ndayitya 5 dilumela eFanta pie ntwana kwathi pha emaxesheni ntwana hey yabona inhloko izizula sasijonga the only thing sasiyenza nosana sasijonga nesihleke sijonga nesihleke
khona pha behind tourism center ne ukhona pha into ethengisa iwheat uzoyithenga khona pha uzoyifumana ndizoyithenga kusasa nomini siwethenga
ngifaka ngifuna ngikhamdu
benifuna I want to have that experience though
hayi
I want to have that experience unayo yes it's cabinet store or something
hayi mntwana ndi-right
and also I don't know if you know that road yeah what is this thing this store that sells meat the cheap stores that sells meat Kakas or on the same street as Kakas if you are coming from universities there is this first store on your what is this thing right Mount Yehlapha is the second street from tourism center it also sells them stay on the same street as Kakas. Hey, there's isn't down there, but I never bought them. It was 10 that I only one. I think what cost.
I'm like never traumatized. No matter that 3 days. 3 days being a hlambi. Ndivuka ndihleke nditye 3 days. I'm not even exaggerating. 3 days. Ntwana ifone yami yalahleka ifone yami ndathi xa kubuya ingqondo noba ngosuku lwesithathu ebusuku ifone yami andiyiboni caba ifone yami yayiringa xa iringa ntona ingathi itshwapha entloko ingathi itshwapha entloko caba ndayithetha ndayifaka udrophini endaweni noba ndiyicike ndayithetha ndayifaka ndandisithi ilahlekile ntona ndayibona xa ndipakisha ndiyincamile.
I'm only hearing the story now like what the hell tutu
hayi uhleka isitori soda
nihleka soda
3 days ntwana ndingahlambi ndingathini the only thing enandiyenza sasivuka nosanda sihleke sitye that's the only thing sasiyenza sivuka umjongo usanda ndijenga usanda nonga ndithi hayi sanda ale nintsini sihleka side silale ntwana sivuke sitye yabona xa usitya ingathi utya popcorns oyadla like uyaziqhaphisa nje uyalala.
This is the first time that I'm hearing this story, guys. Adiyazi.
3 days ntwana caba ifone yakhala I still remember nanje amile East London caba ifone yakhala ntwana yathi ukukhala kwayo yachuka abhlungu like yayingayisikathi ichophetho ngayithatha nayo ifake wardrobe ezibahleni ngaphansi ndayibona xa ndibhakisha ndincamile sithi ndiyamile
because this is the first time that I'm hearing this story like I never heard it before. This is the first time that I'm hearing it like to be honest
ntwana ndandina trauma yayo neyiphi muffin and I was just like you wayesithi umuntu noma usithi imuffins noma uzithenga eShoprite ndingasithembi yo hayi kazi ngiyaqhubeka kakhulu noma ayikuzityela endlaleni yo uthembakazi yo
uthemba the loud girl
uthembakazi bani kana
siyethengisa surprises. Sure.
yabona does the guys does
Imagine
we
these
want
guys-
to endlaleni if we are yazi if umuntu owahlala Veritas okanye wahlala kuza student accommodations uzoyazi lokubana ngabana sasithole kumele kwayini sasithole half and then unuke student card ubamba othenga ukutya sometimes awukwazi ufike ekhefu kuphelile ukutya uthenga ibiscuits entotona so umuntu ngayiphathela imafini wawutyela endlaleni ntwana xa ngisithi kuwe sayothenga ifanta pie because sifuna ulumela imafini I'm not lying
ukuthi like zikhona ukudlula
ukudlula apha sathenga ifanta pie oqokoko satyeza nansi ke noba sasizaza yo thembakazi usimxako yena ezicucaza hayi ndihluthi mina mntase ethethe noma wathi
wait
one
athi yena uthut athi what
ndiphathele nina mna ntwana ityani
shit at least mina that's like ndiyazi ukuthi i-space
thina we didn't know
When
I feel like
I
if we knew
know.
about space muffins ngingasoze uthi utye 5 ntwana
no way uthi no rapist guys
Sisuthemba
why athi gama like rapist vele
balonto
Tuesday
order yantoni isikhathi
sure guys
inwele zifikile iiteki zifika kusasa ne ponytails so nje before this week ends uzobe
actually on Thursday I don't know if tomorrow or Thursday but if we finish early tomorrow to package everything
So,
we will go and
but
post them
lapha zona
that's why I'm saying you should wake me up early so that we can do e-waves in the morning and then when sneakers comes we do sneakers ne ponytails. I think this was around the same time.
khona i-t-shirts
I don't think so. But
singagqiba ukubhakisha kusasa then sizidrophe
the following day.
day ekuseni
I need to cook tomorrow sis.
cook what khona ukutya
I told you nje ukuthi ndiyahosta kusasa.
oh I forgot
Yes. I need to cook.
It's 60 rand if you follow 7 to 9 days, which is I don't recommend, or you want 10 or 3 to 5 days.
I recommend 3 to 5 days though. So I cabanga 20 November, ne?
Ndicinga ugoduka emva kwala weekend andinawuzobe ukoweni cinga ugoduka ngala
Yes, I think we should leave and then when we come back I also come back.
Singaphinde
And then yeah, when I come back
omila ubunge
Where
guys
was-
lingancanyiswa mina guys beyika no trend up 20 phakamile hayi guys ndiqanga bahlala phansi Thomila
kana ingoma which ingoma le beli was singing njengoba
ushwebile
not Maskandi. Not Maskandi song. Downborn like the one ukuthi you when they call when you call someone ukuthi like if this is hey ndikhohliwe sho ngicamisa emlonyeni
sana benzo
the action the omil mandithi bathi hey man this is you something to do with nguye nguye lo nguye something to do with that nani I don't remember the sound though
uyena
we kuyena lo in my FYP uyena we nguye you know those people who are afraid to go to their friends uyena we loyo hawe ma nguye guys in my FYP in Tsari umumila uyelo
hi guys back there was also a fight a festival singa bebelola ntoni yo guys ndife mnyama isithatha can't show you ithanga jonga ntwana
ufuna nini
ndife mnyama bebenitsala intsimbini jonga
yo
ndinanzi
bebenitsala
befuna general
sure
like bebenitsala ntoni like kanje bandibambi ke uyazi ntwana mina ba once wanibamba kabuhlungu sana ndifa mnyama bendibamba kanje
sibonile video
benditsala ntwana
dibonile video guys it's not nice to be famous guys
yo wena ndiqonda inoba andihletywa sana inoba sihletywa noziko because besiqomba senqama sehle sabe sobabulisa batswini ngoba inoba kuthiwa onoba omila noziko bacinga ngamasiko
ongayejena so zeyejena next time no
hayi ndingafuna
bayakuthanda kaloku hayibo i-celebrity kaloku guys
I'm no celebrity
Ngishilo ulunje noziko. Ngishilo. Uze komanje.
Hey, bekhona lo mfana sanebe ndithi inqaku.
Hey. Waphisa no number nje. But best strategy lo mngana.
Hayi guys anangxaki nokuthandwa shame. But like akho ngxaki amani bengenangxaki lo nto ibisenzeka but benqonqe noma ndihleyahleka. Ngaba bahleli pha kwabanye.
Ndiyafuna lento ukuthi deposit to a point whereby dihamba ngamadola phansi.
Why?
Ukuthi like I want to experience that thing like I never experienced that thing. I want to experience it. Uthenge nisishupa.
Yo, wena guys mfana endithi kanje sa.
Ndimbonile lo video ndithi hayibo
kanje sisi.
Abanye
abantu ngeke chance shame babani hake bathi undibambile sisi kanje. He omile yona ndithi ndihleli phansi. Ndiqanjonga.
Omunye
rise wa.
You know omunye wenze into wathatha inamba ku business. What a high sis.
We met at
Mascate Festival and we exchanged numbers. I'm sorry to text you. Like, sorry I couldn't text you yesterday, but I texted you today. Like, guys, I never experienced. You know, I'm that person whereby I'm always responsible when I go out with friends. I'm always this person who go to like I don't wanna drink a lot because of I have people that I need to take care of. Like I'm that person. So like I never experienced that thing ukuthi diyapoza up until
there's no need.
Hambe ngomadola.
There's no
but diyayifisa lento man ukuthi nami but they should take care of me.
No, I can take you. I can take care of you.
Yeah.
You know me. And when I never get to that extent, but I can take care of you. Then was selling ugaqa ngamadola. But xa ngafuna ukuhamba nithi masambe xa ngafuna ukuhamba ngiyakeka kaloku.
Imagine. Uzonyeka ndihamba ngamadola pha egrouping. Imagine. I need someone uzothi hayibo andizohamba lo muntu angahambi nami. Imagine umuntu ukuthi mangafuna ukuhamba uzohamba yena anshi. Like imagine guys. Like I'm always that person who's responsible. Like every time, I don't know if it's motherly instinct or what, but I'm that person. Like I never. Lena, I'm always in Mother Teresa. Guys, yo. I'm not mad, guys. I'm not mad. And guys. I don't know if I told you guys, but I installed myself, guys. But that does not mean Ugoti Omila should stop installing me. Yo, you could call him too much. I have children. Hi, Tommy. Who's this? Wait, who's this? I cannot. Hi, Pologo. We'll talk tomorrow. Sharp. Like I'm that friend, guys, whereby I cannot go to group and then drink a lot. I rather when I feel like okay, I'm getting drunk now, I'll buy water and drink water, so that deep sober a little bit. Guys, use a lot of much, so that the folk extend the package with Zen, the sneakers Zen,
the t-shirt Zen,
Zen,
ponytail
Zen. Milan. Like Omila has this thing, guys. Like I'm nothing. I have to wake myself up because you know I was on voice. Even if I tell her Guti Milan, kala umvuse. Akazoyenza. I don't know. Kala mthetho nayo, guys.
Andithanda ukuvusa mina so nami andithanda ukuvusa.
One client endithethayo because ndithetha izinto ezi
Ponytail yodwa, ponytail 300 plus
380.
Hayi 300.
Because we've been on a call there, guys, and then yena abebuze nomfana. Now ufuna ukufonela asoze sizothatha kusasa. Asoze.
No closure. Plus delivery. If you choose 60 rand, it's going to be 360. If you choose 110, it's going to be 410.
Alright, guys, because we've been on a call with the other girls and bechoose umfana. So now because ufuna ukuthetha naye nathi sithethe naye. Hayi mina ngithethe ngomkhani bawo. Ngizosela umntwana mhlaba.
Cala si-end le live ngifuna ukufuna.